Freddie, how you feeling?
Good. Not too many nerves. A few of my mates are coming to support me, so I just want to put on a good show for them. I've got a few tricks up my sleeve.
I'm nervous. More nervous than at school even. Oh my gosh.
Bill? What have you done with my tape measure?
Oh,
Show me your pockets.
I'm not worried. I'm probably more comfortable here than at the audition. Oh, I'd like you to meet my friend Bonzo and Jobbo. I mean, Jonesy and Bobby. Oh, Gav's coming down from Igado. He's coming down from Palmy.
Ekadahuna.
Yeah. Hey, Freddie. Freddie, do me a favour, mate. Pull my finger.
No, I'm not nervous. I know I'm destined for more than some dingy bar, but I suppose you've got to start somewhere. If I'm honest, I really don't think anyone's going to appreciate my music, but a prophet's never accepted in his hometown. I suppose in that respect, I'm like Jesus.